welcome to this week's video blog on the law. Some people are fortunate to have medical benefit plans provided by their employers or unions that cover things like prescriptions for drugs and therapies. Blue Cross, Great West Life, and Sun Life are common extended benefit providers in BC. So, if you've been injured in a car accident caused by another person and ICBC benefits are available to you, you may be wondering why you're required to submit your medical expenses to your own benefits plan rather than having them reimbursed by ICBC. For example, after a car accident, you may be prescribed painkillers or muscle relaxants as well as treatment such as physiotherapy and chiropractic care. Then, you're told that you've got to submit these expenses to your own benefits provider rather than to ICBC. This seems unfair to many people because it appears to violate the principle that it should be the other driver and their insurance that should pay for your injuries and care, not your own benefits. Your own benefits likely have limits, and you want to save those benefits for other medical issues unrelated to the car accident. So why should you have to use those benefits when it was somebody else's fault? The answer is because under BC vehicle insurance law, ICBC is called a secondary insurer, meaning the accident benefits it provides are payable second to any other benefits you have. This is not a policy adopted by ICBC to frustrate people, although it may seem like it. Rather, it's a law created by our legislature, so there is little that can realistically be done about it. However, thankfully, this requirement is not as unfair as it seems. This is because almost all benefit providers have the right to collect back from ICBC the amount of benefits they paid to you when you submitted your receipts. Technically, this is called subrogation, but really it just means that although your benefits were depleted by receipts submitted to them for the car accident, the other driver's insurance has to replenish those benefits at the end of your case. In other words, in the end, the driver who's at fault for the accident ends up paying your benefits plan back for the cost of the prescription and treatment you submitted. One benefit of having a lawyer after a car accident is that it's their job to make sure ICBC reimburses your benefits plan. Without a lawyer, this sometimes gets overlooked, and you end up having no benefits available to you under your own plan because someone else's carelessness hurt you and you had to use your benefits to pay for it. Now that's unfair. I hope you've learned something about the law from this blog. Please feel free to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, or subscribe to our YouTube channel below. Thank you very much.